Today in this video I am going to show you why is keyword research important for SEO. What is keyword research? The importance of keyword research in SEO, description of world's best keyword research tools, and how to use this tool for making viral content and articles for your websites and YouTube video channels. If you find the video is informative, please don't forget to subscribe and keep supporting us. Feel free to comment anything you want to know. I will love to help you folks. Let's jump on screen. What is keyword research all about? Keyword research in SEO, search engine optimization, is the process of discovering search terms, keywords, that users enter into search engines, such as Google or Bing, when looking for information online. The importance of keyword research in SEO. Keyword research is often the first step of any SEO campaign. By researching and selecting the most appropriate target keywords, you create the opportunity to rank well in search engines for that specific topic. High rankings in search engines drive traffic to your website, and in turn, allow you to promote your products/services online. Keyword research tools. There are a number of tools available to help you find keywords. Here is our favorite one, kwfinder. How to choose a keyword. Firstly, create a keyword list using one of the keyword research tools mentioned above. Ensure the keyword is relevant to the topic of your content. Secondly, check the search volume. The higher search volume a keyword has, the more traffic you could potentially receive. Finally, check the keyword difficulty. Finding low competition keywords can give newer sites a better chance of ranking. The example shows how long-tail keywords, keywords that are more specific and longer than other commonly searched keywords, are usually less competitive. This means that they're often easier to rank for, but perhaps have less search volume than shorter tail keywords. Advanced keyword research versus keyword research in this example. Find long tail keywords with low SEO difficulty in less than 3 minutes in kwfinder. This is the first video from the Mongools SEO video series bringing useful SEO tricks and tips. We start with analyzing the main seed keyword, continue with finding new long tail keywords with a meaningful combination of keyword difficulty and search volume. Right after, we analyze our competitors in Google SERP to see whether we are able to beat them and rank high for the selected keyword. kwfinder is one of the most popular keyword research tools on the market with the most accurate keyword difficulty score. kwfinder is developed by Mongools juicy SEO tools you will love. Suppose I am going to make a video on YouTube or a content for my blog about chocolate cake making. Look at search results showing data only 310 searches done by people. But see, people are searching more about easy chocolate cake recipe terms in.so. You will get an idea what is trending about. Easy chocolate cake recipe terms have a keyword difficulty score of 52, and it is quite a high score and very difficult to rank higher. The higher a keyword score, the more difficult it would be to rank for that topic. If you make a content or video of keyword difficulty level is lower than 25 or 30, then it is easier to rank high in search engine. An easy chocolate cake recipe for kids has a lower difficulty score and is still easy to rank on this topic. Its CPC means cost per action is higher than others. If you make a content about this topic, it will be easier to rank higher on search engine. Disclosure: I am affiliated, but not sponsored. Not being sponsored allows me to keep my own opinions and provide reviews and tutorials without bias. So, if you enjoyed the content, consider using my affiliate links. All of my opinions on this channel are always my own. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and keep supporting us. Feel free to comment anything you want to know. I will love to help you folks.